gold. I got a gold. I'm gonna do it again. I need to protect the bed. I got the gold. I'm gonna do it again. I gotta protect the bed. What it's been done. So you're telling me that your axe. Well, we get these kind of odds every now and again, but we'll be fine. I don't really know how to speed bridge fully myself, not gonna lie. Yellow's good. Like, yellow's ass good. Help me, this purple's good. We turned out of it, it's fine. No, he has a pickaxe, right? I have more than you, actually, in diamonds. I'm gonna keep our birds like this at the head so you can go faster. This lobby's fun. I like having PvP like this. This lobby's nice. Bro, how's he not dead? Apparently it's 5 hits to kill someone without armor. With an iron sword. And sharpness. How? I died with 20 diamonds because of that bullshit. No. 5 hits with the iron sword to someone without armor? That has sharpness? Are you kidding me? Yo, purple's just sitting, like, camping a side gen. Their bed is mine. I don't think they thought about that. I'm dead. I almost killed him. He was full kitted. It's fine. Their guy's gone. It's all that matters. Not like iron sword. Well, I was naked with the wood sword. He had like actual clothes on. Get set up, bro. No. You just made me gay for that one. Let's get this red. Cut him off. You're gonna have to come up here. One behind you. Watch out. No. Break the bed. Never mind. I'm horrible. Nice. Now stay. They have wood swords. Nice. And I already got the bed. Oh, that's one gone. Yeah, I don't have blocks. Holy shit, 6 and 2. We just put the lobby again. Look, you see what I did there? I put terracotta only in the front so people think our bed's fully reinforced. Yeah, and now I did the rest. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 layers. I'm gonna be like a housewife this game. Nice. Build the side gens and get 10 diamonds real quick from the side gens. Get those and then come back, get like iron armor off rip. You can kind of zigzag between. I can play KBM too, I just have to connect it. Let me get your gold. That is an iron armor. Yellow's an iron armor. How? Okay, we did good last game, but apparently we're in even more cracked lobbies. Like me? Get side gens. Just get side gens. Get side gens. Get side gens. It's fine, bro. I know what you're talking about. Show. Well, we just went on like a 4-game winning streak against players that weren't good. Just because I'm better. Or we're better. They might have genuinely. That'd be cool if they did. I don't mind that. There's always gonna be like one shit team. It can't always just be. There's probably like 2 people in this lobby that are genuinely crap. I just combo the fuck out of Cyan. From that base, ours is gone, isn't it? Is he doing that for the PvP or is our red gone? Ah, PvP. Oh. Who the fuck do they think they are? Wait. Yeah, it's chill. We still win these. But then they might get too cocky and forget their bed. And then from there, I'll leave them with nothing. Oh, you just got everything. You little bitch. You spawned in the second I was about to grab shit, so I had nothing. I am nothing. I am nothing. Not in me. Jesus Christ, he's good. too bad. Here, go on the, either, look, go right on the far right side where I'm standing right now, and try to build one of those little dirt islands, like jump to one of those. Try to do that. I'm thinking about double, like, reinforcing our bed, but I don't really care. Are you dead? Are they good? They're alright. Not as good as me. I'm down. What do you? I can't really say anything. I kind of act the same way like Siege and Rocket League. I get hella mad. So loud. It's fine. If you want to expand the bridge, I'm not going to because it's too long. I'm just about to void. I hate this map. Oh my god. What is this map? Why are there a hole there? Bro, what is that? Alright. I'm just going back to wood sword. I don't even care. I was jumping through here and there's a tiny hole in the ground that I fought through. Why? This map's so weird. Like, it's cool, I guess. I like it, but I like the way it looks. It's not, it's miserable to run around. I 1v2ing in mid. There's 2 yellows that were AFK in it. I'm dead. I'm dead. Help, help, help. I have so many guns. They were crouched, so I didn't know there was anyone there. They're so dead. What the fuck? They definitely had a lot of diamonds. They were sitting there for a while. I was wondering why the generator wasn't full. Okay, the beginning of the game was a little bit rough, but we're chilling now.